To add a new Sales Proforma invoice, the user must navigate to the Sales menu, click on the Transaction submenu, and select the Proforma Invoice option. This will open the homepage of the Proforma Invoice menu. To create a new Proforma Invoice transaction, click on the Add button located at the top right corner of the header section. When the Add button is clicked, a new form will appear. Select the business unit for which the Proforma invoice is to be created. The transaction reference will be automatically generated based on the configurations set in the Reference Formula option under the Settings menu. Next, click on the Client field and select the desired client by searching using the exact alphabet keyword so that the system fetches the relevant result. The user can enter any special reference for this Proforma invoice transaction. The currency will be automatically fetched based on the selected business unit. Rates will be generated according to the values configured in the Settings menu. If no data is available there, the system will fetch the rate from an online platform. The user can modify these rates during the transaction if necessary. The date field will be automatically filled with the current date, but it can be changed to a previous date. The preferred rate field can be edited if needed. Otherwise, the rate configured in the settings against the base currency will be displayed. The delivery date should be selected as a future date. The cost center can be chosen from the drop-down menu, either by scrolling or filtering using the appropriate character. The payment method can also be selected from the drop-down menu. By default, credit 15 days will be shown as entered in the System Configuration menu. Any additional information can be entered in the Notes field. If any attachments need to be included, they can be uploaded by clicking the Browse option. In the Materials section, the user must select a material from the drop-down menu by typing the exact alphabet so that the relevant materials are listed and the user can select from the list. Enter the quantity. The price will be fetched automatically based on the configuration in the Material option under the Stock menu. Then, enter the discount and VAT percentages, if applicable. Any notes related to this material can be entered in the designated field. To add multiple materials, click on the green plus button. The system will show a new empty row where the user can again select material and enter other details. The system also allows users to add new materials dynamically by clicking the plus icon and selecting the Material option, which opens a new form to add material details. Additionally, the system provides an option for bulk processing by uploading materials in Excel format. Click on the icon shown, select Download Template, fill in the material details in the downloaded Excel file, save it, and then select Import from XLS to upload the data seamlessly. Once all the materials and details are entered, the Totals section will automatically calculate the total quantity, total amount, total discount, and total VAT. The net amount for the transaction will be displayed accordingly. After reviewing all details, click Save. The entered details will be saved successfully and can be viewed on the home page. To view a Proforma invoice transaction, click the View icon under the Action column. This will display the details of that specific transaction. To edit a transaction, click the Edit icon under the Action column. The Create Purchase Transaction screen will open in edit mode. After making the necessary changes, click Save to update the data. A duplicate option is available to reduce user effort by creating a copy of an existing Proforma invoice transaction with pre-filled data. The user can modify the required fields and click Save to create a new entry, which will appear on the home page. To print a Proforma invoice transaction, click the print icon under the Action column. The printable version of the transaction will open in a new tab. To delete a Proforma invoice transaction, click the Delete icon under the Action column. The system will show a confirmation message. If the user confirms, the selected transaction will be permanently deleted.